Chasing lizards.
For sure I didn't want you to wash my hair.
Just reach in there and get it, Claire.
My hand won't fit in there.
Pumped yourself pretty good.
You see it?
I see the tail. If I can move that, I can get it. But I can't. It's too heavy.
Just shake it. There.
Hey, get me! Get!
Got it.
Good boy, Deacon.
Let me see, Claire.
This guy's heart is pounding.
Is he still alive?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm going to shut the video off and take pictures of it. You okay?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm out of breath.
Okay.